Some people are born into comfort. Others are born into chaos. But success doesn't ask where you started. It only asks one thing. Did you dare to think bigger than your circumstances? This is the story of Imran. He grew up in a slum on the edge of a city, a place where dreams were considered dangerous. His house was made of tin sheets. His school had broken windows. And his future? Everyone said it was already written. You'll drive a rickshaw like your father, they told him. Don't waste time dreaming. You'll only get hurt. But Imran didn't listen, because deep inside he had a question that wouldn't go away. Why not me? One day, while helping his father fix a punctured tire, Imran saw a man step out of a luxury car. Clean suit, confident walk. He wasn't from their world, but Imran noticed something strange. The man looked tired. Imran asked his father, "Who is he?" His father replied, "A businessman, owns half the shops in this area." Imran stared at the man and whispered, "One day, I'll be like him, but I'll smile more." His father laughed. You don't even have shoes." Imran looked down at his feet, then looked back up. "I'll earn them." Imran started small. He borrowed a second-hand book on entrepreneurship. He read it under streetlights. He watched YouTube videos on a cracked phone. He sold plastic bottles to save money. And every time someone mocked him, he added it to his fuel. He didn't wait for permission. He started a tiny business, selling tea near a construction site. But his tea wasn't ordinary. He offered free motivational quotes with every cup. Workers started calling him Chaiwala with a dream. And slowly, the dream grew. One day the police shut down his stall. No license, no space, no warning. Imran stood there watching his pots and cups thrown into a truck. It felt like everything was over. But that night he didn't cry. He wrote one sentence in his notebook. "If they close one door, I'll build another." Imran used his savings to buy a second-hand bicycle. He turned it into a mobile tea cart. He rode across the city, serving tea outside colleges, offices, and bus stops. He kept his quotes. He added QR codes for free ebooks. And he started filming short videos, sharing his journey, his failures, his mindset. People started noticing. Not just his tea, but his thinking. One of his videos went viral. A famous entrepreneur reposted it. Suddenly, Imran was invited to speak at a youth event. He stood on stage, nervous, wearing borrowed clothes. And he said, "I didn't come here to impress you. I came here to remind you. Your background is not your boundary." The crowd erupted, and Imran realized something. Thinking big doesn't mean being perfect. It means refusing to stay small. With new support, Imran launched a startup, a chain of mobile tea carts run by underprivileged youth. He trained them, gave them books, taught them how to dream. Within 2 years, his brand had 50 carts across the city. He was featured in magazines, invited to speak at universities. And one day, he bought his father a new rickshaw, not because he needed to, but because he never forgot where he came from. Imran stood outside his old slum, now wearing a suit, holding a mic. He looked at the kids playing in the mud and said, "I was you. I had nothing, but I had a thought. Why not me?" And that thought changed everything. Dear listener, thinking big isn't about having money, connections, or luck. It's about refusing to let your environment define your identity. It's about seeing possibility where others see limitation. It's about building when no one believes in you. If you're sitting in a small room with big dreams and no support, don't wait. Start, even if it's messy, even if it's slow, even if no one claps for you. Because the world doesn't reward perfection, it rewards persistence. If this story moved you, share it with someone who's stuck. Comment below, what's your big dream? And remember, your journey begins the moment you say, "Why not me?" Imran didn't change the world by being lucky. He changed it by thinking bigger than his pain. And so can you. Start today. Start small, but never think small again.